Okay.
All right, good day. I am from Global Ace Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Filipino recruiter. I receive verify data from Good Day Agency under Jazz. Am I right?
Yes.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a 100% willing to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
No, ma'am. No, I don't have.
Do you have tattoos in your skin?
No, ma'am. I don't have.
Are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
I am healthy, ma'am.
If you feel unwell or if you think that there is something inside your body, better stay in the Philippines so that you won't give us problem at the same time, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Is this your first time working abroad?
No, ma'am.
Why did you choose to come and work here in Malaysia?
Because I heard, ma'am, that Malaysia is a safe country.
Why you didn't choose to go Singapore or Hong Kong?
Um, I think Malaysia is the offers is the highest salary than Hong Kong or Singapore.
Are you sure? Who told you that?
I just heard, ma'am, on Facebook like that.
Can you help me introduce yourself, please?
Hi, good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Marley Fuentes Ramirez. I'm 38 years old. I'm I am married and I live in Chinatown, Barangay Tandang Kutyo, Tanay Rizal. I have four kids. My eldest son is 18 years old, and my second daughter is 16 years old, and the third is 15, and the fourth is 11 years old. Um, my work experience way back 2019 in Saudi Arabia, and I worked there for 3 years. And the second country is Abu Dhabi, United Arab Emirates. I worked there for 2 years. My my responsibility there is was cleaning, ironing, washing clothes, and taking care of four babies. And that's all, ma'am, except cooking.
All right. Thank you for your introduction, Merly, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, but I would like to know some few more details from you first. You are married. How old is your husband? And what is his occupation?
My husband age, ma'am, was 74. No. I'm sorry, ma'am. 54.
All right.
And
What is his occupation?
he is a construction worker, ma'am.
Okay. When is your birthday?
It's November 28, 1987.
What is your height and your weight?
My height, ma'am, is only 149 centimeter and my weight is 60.
What is your religion?
I'm born again Christian, ma'am.
What about your educational background?
I'm just high school level, ma'am.
All right. So is your husband allowed you to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
So of course, your children is, I mean, your children are already grown up, but who will going to take care of your kids later or your children later once you come to work here in Malaysia?
My husband, ma'am.
How many brother and sister do you have?
I have eight sisters and one brother.
What is your rank in your family?
Seven, ma'am.
What about your parents?
My mother was deceased and my father is 72 years old.
What is his occupation?
No, ma'am.
Senior citizen.
Yes, senior citizen.
All right. So according to you just a while ago, you worked in KSA way back 2019 to 2022 for 3 years. You finished your contract. So can you share it with me? What is your job responsibilities inside your employer's house?
I take care of the four babies, ma'am. And
In KSA,
I'm, yes, ma'am, taking care of four babies and washing their clothes, ironing, cleaning.
except cooking, is it?
Yes, yes,
How
yes,
old
ma'am.
are those children that you take care?
The eldest son was 14 years old when I'm starting work 2019, and the second is 9, and the third is 2 years old, and the fourth is when I was 1 year in their house, she gave birth. My madam is give birth one
So
newborn baby.
14, 9, 2, and newborn.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So after that, why you didn't continue working with this employer in KSA?
I'm finding other countries to experience another.
All right. And you worked in Dubai for 2 years. Are you sure that you are finished contract in Dubai?
Yes, ma'am. I am finished contract.
What is your job responsibilities there?
I am cleaning their, washing their clothes, ironing. Only that, ma'am.
You cook? No.
No, ma'am.
Only that. All right. So why you didn't continue working with this employer?
Because I found this country, Malaysia, was the good salary than the my previous
All right.
country.
So I would like to let you know the reality of working here in Malaysia, okay? Employers
Yes,
here is very particular when it comes to cleanliness. Houses here is very big one. I don't want later that you will going to compare Middle East and Malaysia because it's a huge difference, all right?
yes,
So are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
yes, ma'am. I'm ready.
Can you take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take care elderly people?
Yes, ma'am. I can.
Can you cook?
Yes, Filipino food, ma'am.
but willing to learn so, but willing to learn some new recipes.
Yes, yes, ma'am. I'm willing.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
I don't think I
It's a
can.
yes or no.
Uh, no, ma'am. No.
Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So this is a 2 years contract. You know already,
Yes,
right? Because you are not a first timer. So you are
yes,
an XOFW. You know that once you terminate your contract without cause, you need to pay your employer, all right? And nobody
yes,
force you to come and work here in Malaysia. And any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, or you cannot handle your job anymore, no such a thing that you can like simply go back home in the Philippines because you have signed a 2 years contract, okay?
yes, ma'am.
Are you aware that you cannot hold your phone for 24 hours?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
You can hold your phone during nighttime only after you finish your job for the whole day, and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start work. Of course, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you're not allowed to go out on your rest day. You will going to stay only inside the employer's house, and if you will work, employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay with our rules and regulations?
Yes, ma'am. I agree.
So we don't force people to come here, okay? If you agree, fine, you can come. If you disagree, you have a lot of choices. If you don't like or if you don't want our terms and conditions, better stay in the Philippines or find job opportunities into other countries, yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
How do you deal with your homesickness sometimes once it strikes you?
Uh, I can control myself, ma'am, because my my attitude is when I feel homesick, I just pray that I will overcome with the term 2 years.
All right. Remind yourself why you wanted to come and work abroad because you wanted to sustain your family's needs, and we are not playing here, okay? In
Yes, ma'am.
Philippines, you can be the boss there, you can do whatever you want, but here in Malaysia, no such a thing. We need to follow the
Yes,
rules and regulations of the employer, and we need to respect the culture of the employer at the same time. Any problems, any concerns, inform your employer because you will be the one working inside the premises for 2 years, yeah?
yes, ma'am.
I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time, Merly. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because Globalize agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer, okay? Thank you so much
Yes,
and have
ma'am.
a good day. Bye.
Bye bye.